Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to this session of social science. Children, today I am not here to teach you any lesson. Neither am I to take you through any revision. Today, we are going to discuss about social science assignment. Now, I am sure you must be wondering what is this assignment about. So, let me tell you. This assignment is very important. It carries marks, so kindly do it sincerely. It consists of map activity. So initially we will be doing the activity that consists of map, and I will be giving you some assignment based on it. Okay? And I'm sure you all must be having this map book. You must all have got this map book by now, right? So the activity that we are going to do is based on this map practice book. This is map practice book for class 7. So now let us understand what we are going to do in that. The first map activity that we are going to do is of history. So children, we have understood history chapter number 2, right? We have seen one map in that. Now I have already covered it, the explanation part of it, during revision also, and as well as during your explanation also. So this is the map that I am talking about. Okay, what is this map about? This map is of the Chola kingdom. Okay, so children, this is map number 2, the Chola kingdom and its neighbors. Okay, it is on page number 22 of your history textbook, and the heading of the map is a closer look, that is the Cholas. Okay, so basically it shows you exactly the area that was captured or ruled by the Cholas. Okay, now if you see this picture, the one that you can see in reddish and oranges color or the peach color, all the entire part was ruled by the Cholas. Okay, so children, let us now see what all parts are there under this or falls under this area, right? Now let me zoom this picture for you so that you can understand it better. So as discussed children, this is the map. This map is of India. Okay, I have zoomed it for you so that you can have a better clarity on it. Now this is the south of India. Okay, wherein you can see that the places with peach and red color, they all fall under the Chola kingdom. Okay, now let us see which all places were these, or which all areas were ruled by the Cholas. First one that we can see here is Kanchi. Right children? Can you see Kanchi over here? See. So children, let us look at the places. See, this is Thanjavur, right? Then you can see Madurai over here, isn't it? We have Urayur. Okay, then we have Gangai Konda Cholapuram over here, isn't it? So children, these are the basically important places. See, Vengi is here, Kanchi is here, okay, then Banvasi is here. Okay, so these are the important places children. So children, now let us understand the plotting of the map with the help of these two examples. Okay, so on the outline map of the Chola kingdom, locate the following places: A. Gangai-Konda Cholapuram and B. Madurai. Children, what is important here is to understand what is named for this particular question. Okay, what the question number is named or what is assigned. Okay, for example, Gangai-Konda Cholapuram has been assigned with the alphabet A and Madurai has been assigned with the alphabet B, right? Now children, this is the map from your map book. Okay, this is the map of Chola kingdom and its neighbors. Now children, the first one that we have to locate is Gangai-Konda Cholapuram. Now children, can you see this, the one which is highlighted with red? That is the place which you have to locate on the map. So first we will see where exactly it is, okay, how it is placed. We will analyze it where it exactly falls on the map of India. Okay, now let us see how to locate it on the map. Now children, there are few pages in your map book which are given to you for practice. Okay, you can practice it on those pages in that map book. Okay, so just besides this map you have one page, you have a map of India basically, wherein you can practice this. Now let us understand how to locate it. Children, this is a blank map of India, right? Now you have to locate the place Gangai-Konda Cholapuram on this. The first thing that you will do is to understand exactly where the place is. Okay, see, can you see over here, the place lies at this spot wherein I have highlighted it. Okay, this Gangai-Konda Cholapuram, if you see, it falls in today's Tamil Nadu. Okay, so you have to read the question thoroughly. Okay, and you also need to check the numbering of the places. So when I say numbering, children, what I mean is this. Okay, now Gangai-Konda Cholapuram, the number given to it is alphabet A, right? So the same alphabet I will give to locate it. Now let us see how to do that. After locating the place, the first thing that we will do is we will check the question number. Okay, now in this scenario, Gangai-Konda Cholapuram has been assigned the number or the alphabet A, right? And it is in capital. So what I'll do is I'll point the arrow, okay, towards that place, that is Gangai-Konda Cholapuram. Okay, and then I'll write A, put a bracket, and then I'll write the name, and then I will put the name. So this is how it will look after entering the name, right? Now very important thing that you need to keep in mind is what number or what alphabet has been assigned to the place. That same number you have or same alphabet you have to put it in the map also. Second important thing is your arrow should be pointing to the place which you want to locate. Third important thing, you have to write the name on the arrow. Okay, so these are the three important things that you need to keep in mind. Okay, now in this map, the next thing that we are going to locate is Madurai. So children, we have seen that the place that we have to identify or locate on the map is Madurai, right? And now what I have done is, first I have identified where exactly Madurai is placed. So Madurai is placed where? In Tamil Nadu, right? So it is at the lower part of Tamil Nadu. So I've put the arrow, I've pointed the arrow towards Madurai. Okay, then I will see what Madurai is numbered as. Is it numbered as 1, or is it been given some alphabet as in capital A or small a, or is it given a number as in Roman numeral? Okay, and accordingly I'll type whatever it is given in the question. So here Madurai is question number B. So I have typed B because it was capital B in the question. I have put bracket, and now I will write the name on the arrow, which will look like this. So children, we have seen that in both the scenarios, okay, the questions were numbered as in capital A and capital B. Apart from that, the places can be given numbered as in 1, it can be numbered as in the Roman numeral I or 1. It can also be given number as A, small a, or capital A. Capital A we have already seen how it looks like. Always remember, you have to see what the question states and accordingly you have to name it. Point your arrow towards the place which you want to locate, and on the arrow, if it is small a, number 1, your Roman numeral 1 or capital A, whatever it is, it should be identical with the question. Whatever question says, accordingly you have to locate. So children, I hope you have understood how to locate a place and how to plot it on the map. Okay. The next activity that we are going to do is geography activity. Now children, you have to draw this diagram. Now this diagram is from your textbook. Okay. The diagram is interior of the earth. It is on page number 7 of your geography textbook. Now you can draw this diagram either on your assignment sheet or A4 size paper, okay, whichever is available with you. Diagram should be neat and tidy. You can use crayons or oil pastels to color. Remember, the color should be same as given in your textbook. Do not color anything on your own. You have to draw or give same colors as given in the textbook, okay. And regarding the labeling also, the labeling should be done exactly the way it is given in the textbook, okay. Now once your drawing and labeling is done, you have to scan it, okay, convert to PDF. I am repeating again, you have to convert it to PDF and send it to your class teacher on WhatsApp, okay. Now let us move on to the very important thing, that is history assignment. So let us begin with the history assignment. Let us have a look at the question. This is regarding the history map, okay. On the map of India, locate and label the following. The places are Vengi, Urayur, Thanjavur, Banavasi and Kanchi. So children, you have to locate these places, okay. You have to do this in your map book, and you have to scan it first, convert to PDF and send it to your respective class teacher, okay, on her WhatsApp. Now always remember that you have to put your details, that is your name, roll number, standard, division, okay, everything when you are submitting it. So before scanning, see to it that you are putting all these details, your name, SID number, roll number, standard, division, everything, okay. Now let us have a look at your geography assignment 2. Draw a neat labeled diagram of interior of the earth. So children, you have been given the diagram in the textbook, right? Same diagram you have to draw on either your assignment sheet or A4 size paper. You can color it with poster colors or your crayons, right? And same procedure you have to follow. Put the details, scan it, convert to PDF and send it to the class teacher. So for both history and geography you have to enter the details. So like I informed you earlier, you have to put your details, name, roll number, standard, division, SID number, okay, and you have your PDF form, like you have to convert it to PDF, okay, number of pages that you have done, and you can send it to the class teacher on her WhatsApp number. The date of submission is 14th August 2020. You have to submit it by 8 p.m. at the latest on 14th August 2020. So children, one very important question that must be coming to your mind, as I have told this earlier also, once again informing you, your assignments need to be submitted to your class teacher on her WhatsApp number, okay. So you have to send it with all the details to your respective class teacher. Children, you have to strictly follow the instructions that are given to you in this video. Children, you also have to follow the instructions that are given to you in your class group, as in how to use or which app to use for scanning the documents. We have sent a video also, and we have also given the instructions along with it. So please go through the video, follow the instructions properly, use that app to scan your documents and send your assignments on time. Children, now see you in the next sessions. Till then, goodbye and keep learning.